Hi guys, so you see this? This is a mk2. When I press it, um, it does that. And it runs a piece of software that I'm not going to show you because of, I might get sued. Well, not really, but if you press this one, Persona 4, it runs Persona 4, this is Persona 4 Golden to be specific. And then we can press exit and it would exit out of it. So as you see, it's running Persona 4 Golden. See? Now if we press exit, and as you can see, Persona 4 Golden, it has exited. So if we basically press this one, this is Pokemon Mystery Dungeons. This is doing some stuff on the back end, but there's that. I have BELLOW, Tetris, and Smash. So these are the games I usually play on my Switch that I have running on my computer. So as you can see, it's at exit, but it's loading right now. So yeah, and there you go. It's not real time, but well, it loads. It will probably load better on something else, but this is on here. It's also over there and right here. So yeah, if you press this button, it will exit. And with Puyo Puyo Tetris, and as you see, and now if we press exit, show the same screen again. And now if we press smash, the only reason it's taking forever to load is because of I'm running it on with some stuff in the background, so it takes a little bit of time to load. Also, mainly because of this computer's been running for like the past 3 hours doing stuff. So you see, smash. And now if we just press exit, and it's like this, see? And you can't see, but it's on my computer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to know how to do it, contact me by email, and I'll help you out and figure it out. Bye.